Hi, I'm Adiola from XLHomes and join me on this tour while I show you this 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex in the heart of Osapa London in Victory Park. This is one of the best listings so far. Join me on this tour. Let's go! Now, this is a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex in Osapa London. It has a swimming pool, a cinema, and a room that is dedicated for a gym. It is a very lovely listing. You're definitely going to love this one. Now, one of the things I love about this listing is it's currently sitting on 450 square meters of land. You have lots of greeneries in this particular estate. You can see to the right here. Then right here, you can see you have like a lot of greenery. So it is sitting on 450 square meters of land. That's almost a full plot, and you can park comfortably. You can park as many as 7 cars. So you can see a car already parked there. Another car can be parked right there. You can have another car here. You can have another car here, another here, another here. So approximately you can have like 7 cars parked comfortably, and you can see the carport right there. Now, in this particular estate, most of the time they have stable power supply in this estate. But then again, one of the things most residents do in this estate is they also alternate the light with inverter or solar system. Majority of them do not even use generators. That's how it is. Then when you come down here under this carport, the moment you leave this carport, you have this staircase that leads you directly to your swimming pool. It is actually very spacious, you understand. Then when you walk down, so you can see your water tank right here. This is your backyard. You can see your water tank right here. This is the exit from the kitchen, while this is the BQ. It is currently locked. But let me just take you around the house so you have an idea of how spacious this is. As I said earlier, it's sitting on 450 square meters of land. It is very spacious, one of the most luxurious listings we have here. And I also love the finishing of the house. Like if you're looking at, for example, you can see these walls. You can see the finishing on the wall is actually very exquisite. These are very expensive materials used in this particular listing. It is a very lovely listing. When you step into this house, the first thing you see is this gigantic armor door. Like it is so large and very tall. It is actually bulletproof. It's a bulletproof door. Now when you step in, you take notice of the quality tiles that has been used in this house. It is actually very exquisite. So you have this ante room, and to your right you have this guest toilet. You can see, and you can see the quality of the tiles that has been used in this guest toilet is actually of good quality. Then straight down you have your guest toilet and your guest room or your visitors room. So it's actually very sizable, and the toilet and bath is right there, but it's currently locked. So let's go down to the living area. Now, this is the living area. It is the definition of maximum space. Like you have a lot of space for your couch, your TV area, which will most likely be here, and you can have your dining just right here. You understand? So your dining can be right here. You have your couch, your maybe like a 3-seater around here, and you have your TV centered around that axis. It is actually very spacious and lovely. And one of the things I also take note of is the POP finishing of this house. You can see how well detailed it is. Then also considering the inbuilt speaker, the spotlight, every single thing in this house has actually been done to detail. It is lovely. Then the moment you step into this area, so you have your kitchen. Now, one thing I like about this house is now immediately after your dining area, you have your kitchen with this transparent door. You can see this transparent door. Then you move in and see how spacious your kitchen area is. So you have this island top that has a wash and basin right centered on it. So you have this washing machine right here, and you have this cabinet space right here. You have your wash and basin as well right here, and you have lots of cabinetries. That's one of the things I really like about this house. You have lots of cabinetries, and one thing I also like is the lights that has been used for like brightness, and you can actually see everything you're doing in this kitchen. So you can see your 5 burner top here and the heat extractor, which is actually very lovely. Then right here you also have your oven and microwave. You can see your oven and you can see your microwave right here, and you have lots of cabinet spaces, right here. So then when you come over here, this is essentially a space for your refrigerator, maybe like a double door refrigerator. This is a space for it. Any refrigerator you decide to use, you can actually install it here. Then right here you have a storeroom. You can keep any of your edibles in this space. Then we have an exit door right here that leads you to the back. So it's locked currently, but it leads you to the back where you have your swimming pool and your backyard and all. So let's step right to the staircase. Now, the staircase harmonizes the same tiles, and you see that it's actually very quality. And you can see the light, the spotlight on the staircase, which is censored, and it already takes note of your presence on it, and it is really lovely and fun to see. Now, the moment you get to the first floor, you have this lounge. It's actually quite sizable lounge here. Then you still maintain the same quality for the POP finishing and all. Then right here, you have your own cinema. I believe you can see. So right here, you have your own cinema. Now, this cinema is well finished to taste. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can comfortably sit about 8 people. You understand? And it is soundproof as well. That's one of the major features. So the moment you close the door, any form of noise going on here is not, being heard outside. So imagine having this level of comfort in your own home where you can, enjoy, where you can basically enjoy the feature of of a public cinema right in your own private home. Trust me, it is luxury. It speaks luxury, and it is tastefully finished. So let's go check the other parts. And one thing I want you to note again about this house is it is actually a smart home, a fully automated home. You can operate majority of the things you have in this house from your mobile device, from the locks to the lights, and different part and functionalities of the house can actually be done via your phone. So from there, you can directly enter into one of this room. So from your cinema, you can directly enter into one of this room. Then you can see the walk-in closet for this room. It's actually very quality. You understand? Very quality. And in terms of space, it is very sizable. It is very big for just one of the rooms, essentially. And you have the toilet and bath right here. Now you can see the shower cubicle, which is actually very big. And I like this floating toilet seats and the custom vanity right here. Then I can see we have a door. This door right here essentially leads you to a balcony. So you can see the balcony, and from here you can have a very lovely view of the whole estate. Trust me, it feels good to be here, to be fair, honestly. It really feels good to be here. It's a very calm and serene estate. This estate is called Victory Park Estate at Osapa, London. It's a very calm and serene estate. In terms of luxury, exclusivity, facility, and every other thing, this estate actually meets every of that criteria. And we already have an estate store where we rated this particular estate. You can check the video out so you can get more information or more insights into what this estate is really about. So let's check the other rooms. Let's check the other rooms. So this is another room. It's actually very spacious, very, very spacious. So you can see the walk-in closet there. Then when you come in here, you have the toilet and bath, which is also very spacious. And I like the tiling and the detailing in this particular toilet and bath. So let's go to the next room. So right here, we have on this floor, we have the the cinema, and we have about 3 rooms right here on this floor. So let's go upstairs. So I believe upstairs we have the masters and the rooftop terrace. So let's go check it out quickly. So right here we have this very spacious masters, and one thing I like again is the window, very large, wide angle window that gives that natural lighting into the house. Then I like this specifically dedicated area for the walk-in closet. Then you can keep in your clothes, your shoes, your accessories, all can be fitted, comfortably right here. Then you have your toilet and bath. So right here you have your bathtub, your cubicule, your double vanity here, and your floating toilet seat. So you can see the lighting sensor. The moment I got in here, it already came on. So, but that's basically one of the smart features in the house, which you definitely love. And from here, you still have another view of the old estate right from here. It is actually really lovely to see. So from here, let's quickly check. Now from here, we have another look at the estate. So you can see the rooftop from here. So from here, you can actually organize your rooftop parties, your small parties, gatherings with friends and family. You can imagine how beautiful that would definitely be. So you can see more space, like so much space for your private parties, for your gatherings. It is lovely. It is wonderful. It is beautiful. Now, this estate is one of the major attraction of this. Aside the fact that this house speaks luxury, this estate itself is home to lots of dignitaries. Now, you're definitely going to be in a space, in a place where there are so many top people in the social fare of life, you understand, and different from different walks of life entirely. So definitely this is a place you definitely want to stay, or you want to buy. Now this property is currently selling for an asking price of 500 million naira. It's a 5-bedroom with an office space, a cinema, and a room that you can dedicate for your gym in Victory Park, Osapa, London. This is one of the best listings that you can actually think of buying, to live with your family. A very peaceful environment, a very peaceful estate, very calm and serene. We have a video for where we rated this particular estate. You should definitely watch out for that video so you can see and get more insight into this estate in Lekki, in Osapa. This estate is called Victory Park. This particular property is one of the finest listings in this particular estate. So if this is definitely something you want to get for yourself and for your family, yeah, then you should definitely reach out to me. My name is Adiola Sanusi. I am the finest realtor in Africa, in Nigeria, bringing you the best deals, bringing you, giving you insight into all the estates that are definitely going to give you that comfort that you're looking for in terms of real estate. Thank you very much for your time. Ensure you like, you subscribe, and you hit the notification button so you do not miss any of our weekly videos. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you.